How to post music on your Instagram story. Welcome back guys to another video. So if you want to make your stories more engaging and fun, we will show you exactly how you can add songs to your Instagram story. This is a good way to express yourself. It works on both iPhone and Android devices. First, you need to make sure that your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Simply open the App Store or Google Play Store and find Instagram. If you see a button update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds till Instagram installs all the latest features and options. Now let's open Instagram and try to post a story. I will choose a photo from my gallery. After choosing a photo, at the top you can see this icon. Let's click on it. Here you need to find a music sticker. Click on it. This will open an Instagram music gallery. Here you can find the most popular, trending songs, or you can browse specific one. Also, we have the option to search for songs. I will do that. When you find your song, just click on it and it will be automatically added to our story. Here you can add the lyrics of this song, choose the favorite part of lyrics, choose song length, customize lyrics, and many more options. Now you can share your story with your friends and family. That was an easy tutorial on how to add songs to your story. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.